Get ready to be amazed at this incredible church stage design submitted by Dan Johnson from Raintree Christian Church right here in beautiful Lubbock, Texas. You're about to see one of the most creative ways to repurpose materials that we've ever come across. Now I know you might think it's just like everyone else, but trust me when I say these folks took it to an entirely new level with a silhouetted twist. They kicked off their project by creating a pallet wall, which is no small feat considering they had broken down all those pallets before hand nailing them up into a solid pattern using a freestanding frame. Can you imagine how much work went into this? But wait, there's more, because after getting the pallet wall looking exactly right, they projected a stunning manger scene onto the wall and then painted over it with flat black paint, giving us one of the most striking visuals we've ever come across. And if that wasn't enough, check out what looks like some sort of windmill in back, but I'm here to join the dots for you. It's actually just a Christmas tree cleverly disguised as part of their festive decorations. Now let me tell you all about these materials used so you too can create something similar at your church or home without breaking the bank. According to Dan Johnson himself, he managed this entire project on a budget of $500, which is incredibly affordable considering how professional looking everything turned out. If you're interested in learning more details, such as where they sourced those pallets from and any other tips or tricks, we've got them right down below in our description box. Don't forget to check that out after watching this video. And before I go, make sure to hit subscribe, like, comment. It's free. We want to keep creating videos just like this one showcasing amazing designs submitted by talented individuals all around the world. So let us know what you think about today's design. Thanks for watching Church Stage Creations. If this was helpful or inspiring, please comment, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the design details and how to submit your own stage creations in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Keep creating inspiring spaces.